Hello, I'm CGN. This is a quick video to show how to scale texture in Blender. In this tutorial, I will make it simple. I will add the plan, so we can go to Add, Merge, and add the plan here. Close up to view it. Now we can split the viewports into two. One is for preview the texture. I press Set and choose Material Preview. Another one, I will choose the shader editor. So I close this panel. Now go to shader editor. We can find the add a new material button. Click to add a new material to this plan. So let me check. I change it to purple. Now we can add the image texture. I press Shift A and search image texture. Ready? And then I go to open and choose the image. For example, I choose the wooden floor image and click open to add into image texture. Now I click color to collect to base color of principal BSDF shader node. Now if we want to scale the texture, we can add another node. For example, I use Shift A and search mapping. And then use Shift A and search texture coordinate and put it here. I will use generated. You can use the texture coordinate. I make it simple. I will use generated. So collect to vector of mapping. Vector of mapping collect to vector of the image texture. So if we want to scale it, we can find that we have scale in mapping node. So we can click and drag. For example, I scale it to 2. We can make it smaller. If you want to scale up the texture, we can type 0.5, for example. So we can scale up. So we can scale it individually. So this is how we can scale texture in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CJ Ian. See you in the next video.